are working around the clock to try to restore power, but it is largely dependent on the weather forecast. When we hear from the utility companies, we will let you know as soon as possible.
They turn to you. Who do you turn to? It's time to take outage and damage prediction to the next level. It's time to use machine learning with professional meteorological guidance to get sophisticated, quantified outage predictions. It's time to explore the power of advanced weather intelligence. Trust DTN for customized, actionable, and learned intelligence about each forecasted storm as it relates to your unique operation. Deploy Storm Impact Analytics today and take action faster.